Virgo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 16 to 22, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, let's see, Virgo. And also, happy birthday, happy solar return sa inyo, Virgo. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, good health. Okay, so let's see what's coming to you this week, September 16 to 22. Okay, abundance. Wow, talaga naman, no? Money is coming into you. Good harvest din to for some of you. So, maaring maalwan, maalwan. Maganda yung pasok ng pera sa inyo. Yung needs nyo, your needs are all met. Yes. Siyempre, kailangan rin dyan, effort, di ba? Diba? We were just talking about the harvest. So talagang kung yung iba sa inyo, if you are into agriculture, or meron kayong mga farm, sakahan, palayan, o kung ano-ano pa. So maganda yung pag-ani ninyo. Yung iba naman sa inyo, yung mga collections ninyo, sa mga clients ninyo, makukuha nyo na. Or if you have a business, maraming clients, maraming buyers, customers. Yes, because you are showing a lot of passion in whatever you do. So kung ano yung ginagawa mo, anumang yung pinupurso mo sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa career mo, you are very passionate about it. Kaya nakikita mo agad yung resulta ng pinaghirapan mo. And yung iba naman sa inyo, no, since this is passion, maaring you will be more expressive of your feelings for your person. Maaring magsispend time kayo together ng person mo, magsa-celebrate. Okay, let's see your overall energy. You have the Emperor. Wow. So this is structure, stability in your life. So maaring kontrolado mo ngayon yung situation mo, yung trabaho mo, yung business mo, career mo. It seems like everything is planned. Planadong planado. Anong direksyon ang tatahakin mo. And yung iba sa inyo, maaring may business. Meron ding leadership role for you. Let's say your challenge. The Elder of Swords. So, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng challenge with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Pwede kasi magkaroon ng pagkakaiba-iba ng pananaw or ng plano, no? Sa trabaho, sa relationship. But whatever this is, kailangan nyo lang tong pag-usapang maigi para hindi na siya maging problema in the future. Oo, kailangan lang masinsinang pag-uusap para magkaintindihan. Your opportunity, the Ten of Swords, you have the opportunity to let go of anything na binaburden ka, anything na ini-stress ka. So, kung may mga bagay na parang itinatatak mo sa isip mo, kasi ang swords, it symbolizes thoughts, messages, communication. Kung ikaw ay naapektuhan pa rin ng sinasabi ng iba or opinion ng iba sa inyo, yung iba sa inyo may opportunity kayo na i-let go na yan. Kasi alam nyo na hindi naman yun makakabuti na sa inyo. Some of you, maaring mai-let go na toxic na connection, situation, person sa buhay nyo na you feel like it's no longer serving your highest good. Meron ditong ending You have the opportunity to end a stressful relationship or situation. Can be a career or a job. Your blessing, the Champion of Cups. So as a blessing, this is your emotional abilities, no? So maaring mas kayo ngayon, emotionally stable. Hindi kayo basta-basta nagiging parang sensitive sa maraming bagay. Kumbaga, for you, you know what you want, you know what you don't want, and hindi mo hayaan na i-take advantage ka ng iba. This is also showing compassion sa sarili mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. And if you are in a relationship, blessing ito sa'yo, yung person na nasa buhay mo. Oo. Can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, na very supportive sa mga gusto mo. Money, career, finances. You have the Three of Wands. Wow. So this is expansion. Maaring pagdating sa career, trabaho mo, mas nag-grow ka, no? Maraming mga tools dito, so it only shows na meron kang enough na tools, may sapat na kaalaman ka, kagamitan ka, para magamit mo sa pagpapaunlad ng iyong kabuhayan, ng business mo, trabaho mo, career mo. Some of you may opportunity sa ibang bansa. You have the Five of Cups. Some of you meron kayong magagawa ng solusyon, lalo na pagdating sa financial issues or financial problems. You have the Magician, o diba? Speaking of makakagawa ng solusyon, iyan yung energy ng Magician. Kasi marami siyang alam marami siyang skills na magagamit niya para ma-solve ang isang problema. So you are solving a problem. And then pagdating naman sa inyong, let's say, career, business, pwedeng may mga bago kang ideas ngayon sa negosyo mo na gusto mo pang i-explore. Pwedeng you are adding a new product, adding a new service sa yung business. I also see business abroad Oo, yung parang international trading, selling. So example, you're going to sell your products or sell your services sa ibang bansa. So maraming opportunity for you. Kahit na may mga losses ka in the past, I think you're able to solve that problem, no? So, maayos na siya. Hindi ka na ganun ka-problematic. Okay. So, some of you naman, maaari ring meron kayong susubukan ulit na opportunity abroad na maaring dati hindi natuloy for some reasons, but now, ipupursue nyo na. You have the Six of Cups sa love life. Nako, energy ng past. Tignan pa natin. Six of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Okay. So, kung kayo ay kasal, may asawa kayo ngayon, and kung kayo nagkaroon ng problema in the past, or yung iba, nagkahiwalay for some reasons, parang may possibility ng pagbabalikan. Kasi parang meron ditong cooperate. So, maaring you will cooperate with your partner about your situation para to finally, maayos. Alang-alang sa mga bata. O, yung iba sa inyo dahil meron kayong anak. Ayan. So, if you are single, mag-ingat sa, bumabalik na ex. Lalo na kung may asawa na. So, yeah, pay attention, ingat. Okay, childhood, growing, diba? Meron talagang growth for you. Can be a career growth. You will be recognized. Maaring may presentation ka na, harap ka sa maraming tao. Okay, people will applaud you. Mag-a-admire sa'yo. Yes, you have the power, the strength that you need to make things happen. Para sa sarili mo, para sa mga plano mo. So, talagang, yung iba naman sa inyo, nagpo-focus sa inyong physical health. Nag-exercise. Medyo mag-ingat dun sa mga taong nag-betray sa'yo in the past, nanloko sa'yo. Lalo na kung bumabalik sa buhay mo at sinasabing, bigyan nyo pa ng pagkakataon. Ako. Pag-isipang maigi. Kasi raw endings are inevitable. Meron talagang taong kailangang umalis sa buhay natin for some reasons, dahil dun tayo mas nag-grow. But it's just another chapter of your life na nagtatapos because you are now welcoming a new opportunity. Okay? So, yeah, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.